Hi there, students. A pinafore, or you could say a pinny as well. Okay, a pinafore, it's a piece of clothing. It's probably a little old-fashioned nowadays. A pinafore used to be it's a type of dress or a cover that particularly young girls would put over their clothes to protect them. Let's see, a pinafore, you could call it use it as an apron. So you know this chef's apron that it's got a strap round here and then it protects the front of you and then you tie it round the back. That effectively is a pinafore. So a pinafore, it's a dress or something to protect your clothes underneath, or as a dress. It's a protective thing. Now originally the pinafore just went on the front, and if you listen to the name Pinafore, it was pinned to the front of your dress. So it was pinned before. It was just something to go over the front to protect the front. But that then changed into a pinafore dress. So a pinafore dress, it doesn't have a neck, it doesn't have sleeves, and a girl or a lady would put it on, and this would protect their clothes underneath. If you see old photographs of school children, you'll see them wearing pinafores, very often a white pinafore, and then under that they will have their the clothes that they're wearing. Now the Americans call this type of pinafore a jumper, which is where it gets more confusing, because to me as a Brit, a jumper is another word for a jersey. But a pinafore is like an overall. It's a type of smock. It's something that you put on over your clothes to keep them clean. It's good for doing housework or cleaning or different things like this. And in the 19th century, this was considered the perfect thing for a girl. But when a woman grew up, then they were expected to wear an apron. Okay, so a girl would wear a pinafore, and then a woman would wear an apron. Okay, so a pinafore, a pinny, it's a piece of clothing that goes over other pieces of clothes to keep them clean while cooking or going to school or doing other things. Notice this pinafore is a British term. The American word is a jumper. Yeah, it's just to keep your clothes clean. And as I said, you pin, because originally it didn't have a back, in front of you. You pin a is something to keep the dirt off. But that developed into something you put on completely, and there was a big space around the neck, and it's got no arms, but it keeps the rest of your clothes clean. So pinafore. Formality, I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I think it's perhaps a little bit old-fashioned, the word today. So use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A pinafore.